Yeah, the new bikes are turned up. So let's get building the collective. Let's do my head in. Right, I've already cut the straps off. And I want to on that bit. And oh, there it is. Collective. C1 Galaxy. Thought I'd go something a bit different. Yeah, let's get it out of the box.
Let's get building. Push that in or not starting the leg. Here we go. Turn this around. And a 35. The 30 pound. Yeah, red beast. Oh, I'm going to break my neck. Or legs. Or arms. Look at that. Look at that. Wait a minute. Bits and bobs in there. Right. Going to speed this up, this build.
Not the best BMX or bike builder. I've done it for a while. So yeah, there she is. Mad paint job. Yeah.
Brothers up in jail, going mad up in their cells when you hear me bang the doors. Niggas even chatting, someone tell them that I'm scatty, bro. Pull up on the shore like running through my strip, rappers jumping on my dick just to build up a report. I can tell them man I'm bitter, but they're begging up on Twitter, man. I swear I'm so cool. Before he takes a shot, I'll shoot him first. And poor mum wheels go.
Well, good morning. It's the next day. Basically, I was supposed to have gone out on the BMXs with Finley yesterday, but we went round our friends. I'll show you the clip now. I can't do one! This is my slot, what do you call it? Is that it? I'll do that, hang on, I'll do that. Go, down. I can't do one! This is like a flash. Well, anyway, so what we're doing today, it's Sunday's day, yesterday was Saturday. We are going to the bike shop up in our little town, and we're going to get me a helmet. I've already got Finley 2 helmets, but yeah. So we're going to go there, get me a helmet.
But we haven't.
Well, go on. What do you want to say, Finley?
We haven't done YouTube for a little while yet.
Not a little while. But we might even go to the skate park that's like a road from the bike shop and see if there's any kids there doing jumps on their BMXs.
Yeah.
Was going to take ours, but we won't take them there yet because I've got to load the car up and all that and I can't be bothered. But we might be out on them later. So yeah. They've just been Hargroves and they have not got any BMX helmets or seats or seat posts. So we're going to Southie Skate Park. So let's do this.
Yeah.
Finley.
At Southie!
Yeah, skate park, going over there. Just been in this shop, but they ain't got what we need. There's a Bmx Build. Let's go to the skate park. Yeah, we're in the skate park. Got my new lid. What do you reckon, Finley? Is it a good one? Does it suit me? We certified. Load of goodies. Yeah, got a helmet. Lovely. What's your name?
Miles.
Miles. Be on our vlog, mate.
Jack.
Jack, look, you don't want to look. Yeah, should we go and look at the skate park? Let's go. That's like So we've ended up at the skate park earlier without our BMXs, but it's just Finley's scooter. But I've got myself a new lid, Protec, Wow Larry.
And look.
Finley's got his helmet on.
And look at both of our bikes.
Let's flip this round. The new bikes. What are you going to say, Finley?
Comment down below.
Comment down below.
If you like my bike or my daddy's bike.
Yeah. So yeah, we're going to do a couple of little rides up and down there. And I think we're in our vlog. Vlog or vlog? Vlog. Right. 180 tower.
No.
You sure?
No.
I need to look at what's in front of him. He's going quite fast, wasn't he? Go on.
You're going to do a 180 and go backwards, really?
Too much weight, Liam.
I know, fat boy, isn't it? Ready?
Go on then.
Nah, I think we'll give up with that before I die. I think I need to see a professional at Southie Skate Park.
Yeah.
Anyway, Thanks for watching. Say bye, Finley.
Bye.
See you in the next vlog. We'll do a little certifam sign. So we went to Leon Solent, didn't we, Finley? Finley's died for a week because he's cold.
Oh, look
And,
right there.
BMXing is harder than I thought. But we come to the track in Gosport.
Yeah.
Nice track this.
Yeah.
I think we come over here next weekend. What do you reckon, Finley?
Yeah.
Right. Alright, peace.